Okay guys, and this is the Sun Joe Dethatcher. It's got 5 different levels that you can set it at. Right now I think we have it set at the deepest one, which is too deep for what we're doing. Now, how deep you want it to set is going to depend on what you are doing. But you just push in on it, push it down, push in, push it, to where you want it to be. And that's how you set it. Now let's look at the depth that you should set it at. And I might need to bring this camera down just a smidge so you can see in there. Now, granted, this is really dirty. But you see these tines? Okay, if you're going to overseed your yard, these tines are set right. Because if you're going to overseed, you need to get that dirt visible so that those seeds can actually touch that dirt. You can tell right here, there's like no room between the tine and the porch. Okay, none. I mean, you can move them around just a little bit, and actually every time I do, this thing drops down just a little bit further. So that's perfect if you're going to overseed. But what if you're not going to overseed? What if you want your yard to heal itself without needing to overseed? Well, you can have 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch thick layer of thatch and still have a healthy yard. So you need to raise these up a little bit, right? So you're going to hit that button there, raise them up, and then you're going to check them. And well, let's see, that looks like maybe 1/8 of an inch. So we're going to go one more. And there we go. We should not be scraping dirt there. So we should actually be getting most of the thatch out without scraping the dirt and without disturbing those roots at all. So since I'm going to try to repair my front yard a little bit this year, I want it to repair itself as much as it can. I just need to get that thatch out so I can work on making the grass stronger, and then worry about weeds later. My front yard is nothing but weeds, but I figured I'd show you guys this while I have it. You can rotate it freely, and we are just over 1/8 inch off the ground, which is fine. Maybe a little lower than what we could. We could take it all the way up, but I found over the years that even though it's only 1/8 inch up off the ground, we're still going to miss about 1/4 inch of thatch, of which you can have between 1/2 and 3/4 inch. Well, I want to take it down a little further than that, just because I got a lot of work to do, and I want to make sure it gets done. I hope you found this useful. If you do, make sure to leave a comment, like the video, or subscribe to the channel. Any of those things really helps the channel out, helps the channel grow. And well, thank you. Bye.